Hello, this is Lady Rainbow. I'm sorry about that. This is part two of the man and his hygiene. I want to continue. Anyway, the man that I was dating at the time and stuff in a relationship with, I had to actually tell him, look, baby, you need to get up and go wash up. The smell of his penis was strong up in the air. You can smell it. I mean, it just smelled musty. And I'm here to tell you, men, you need to make sure you wash up before you get with a woman. I'm not trying to bash you, but you good to talk about a woman. You talk down on a woman. You talk about her vagina and stuff like that. And a lot of you men and stuff be sleeping around with different women. And then you come and smell like her. But a man has a strong odor. His penis and whatever your balls or scrotum or whatever that is, you need to take care of that, brothers. You need to take care. I'm talking about men, period. You need to take care of that. Your penis has a smell to it. It smells musty. And you need to do something about it. I don't care if I make some of y'all men mad. I don't care if this video go to every man in the world. But stop bashing women on their vagina. And do something about, use some black soap. They have soap for men that they can use. You can use some ivory. Something with bacteria in it. Wash your penis. Wash your penis, brother. It smells. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I know I'm going to make some men hot and stuff, but hey, I like telling the truth. I love my men. As far as women, take care of your hygiene, odor, and stuff like that. And these videos won't be talked about. Okay? ConstanceNunn1965@gmail.com. Lady Rainbow 49 at Twitter. And remember, take care of yourself, men. I love y'all. Take care of yourself, sisters. Y'all have a good day.